Shri Guruvyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.7 question number 11, question number 12. Right? Here we are going to discuss GP. GP in the sense geometric progression. AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means the common difference or equal. Geometric progression means common ratios are equal. Common ratios are equal. Right? Now, question number 12. If A, comma B, comma C are three consecutive terms of an AP and X, Y, Z are three consecutive terms of a GP, prove that X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B equal to 1. Now, exercise I said 2.7, question number 12, right? They given A, B, C are in AP. AP means what? Common difference or equal. That means common difference second term minus first term equal to second term minus first term. That means 2B equal to C plus A. 2B equal to C plus A. Next what it is given? Given X comma Y comma Z are in GP. GP in the sense geometric progression. Three consecutive term of GP. That means it is a geometric progression. Geometric progression means what? X is equal to A, Y is equal to AR. It is a general format for GP. Right? Z equal to AR square. Got it, children? Say yes or no. AP means A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. This is your AP. GP means A, AR, AR square, etc. Right? Now I am considering X as A, Y as AR, Z as AR square. Now you see what it is given, X into B minus C, Y into A minus B, Y into C minus A, Y into C minus A. Sorry children, Y into C minus A, Z into A minus B, which is equal to A power B minus C, AR power C minus AR square power what? A minus B. What is children? Say yes or no? Now. A power B minus C, A power C minus R power C minus A power A minus B, R power 2 into A minus B. That you are splitting. Got it children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, A power, law of exponent you are going to apply. Right? A into A. That means A power X, A power B, Y, A power Z means A power X plus Y plus Z. B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. Now, R power C minus A plus 2A minus 2B. Got it? Now, See here, plus B minus B plus A plus C minus C. So your result is A power 0 or power, here you see, or power C plus A minus 2B. Right? Now, A power 0 or power C plus A minus 2B. The C plus A already you got it as what? 2B. A power 0 or power 2B minus 2B. Then A power 0 into R power 0. A power 0 into R power 0, anything raised to 0 equal to 1. Therefore, x power b minus c into y power c minus a into z power a minus b equal to 1. We arrived the result, right? Already we proved the result, c plus a equal to 2b, right? That you are using here. See, I will show you where it is. It is in AP. 2b equal to c plus a. 2b, sorry, 2b equal to b, that is 1. Right? That you are using in the place of R power. Right? See? By 1. By, sorry, by equation number 1. Got it, children? Shall we move to the question number 11? Question number 11. What it is? Sivamani is attending an interview. Sivamani is attending an interview for a job and the company gave two offers to him. Offer A, 20,000 to start with, followed by a guaranteed annual increases of 6% for the first 5 years. Offer B, 22,000 to start with, followed by the guaranteed annual increase of 3% for the first 5 years. What is his salary in the fourth year with respect to offers A and B both? You want to do separately, right? Question number 11. First we should go for offer A, right? Starting salary. What they fixed as a starting salary? Rupees 20,000. The statement you are converted into the mathematical format. Increase in salary, increase in salary per year. What it is? 6% they said, right? Increase in the salary 6%. That means 6 by 100. 6 by 100. That means the salary after first year. The salary after first year. What it should be? Any idea? 6% increase they said, no? So 20,000 into 106 by 100. Right? Salary after second year. After second year. 20,000 into, this is your R, right? 106 by 100, the whole square. 106 by 100, the whole square. Now, it is in GP. It is in GP. So, what is your A? What is your A, children? Fixed salary, 20,000 they said, right? A equal to 20,000 or equal to 106 by 100. Now, in the fourth year, that is general term, how to find fourth year? In the fourth year salary, that is Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. That means T4 equal to what? T4 equal to A into R power 4 minus 1, A into R power 3. That means 20,000 into 106 by 100, the whole cube. Got it, children? You have to multiply and see the format. I am going to give the answer alone, right? 20,000 into 106 into 106 into 106 divided by 100 into 100 into 100. Got it? Now we arrive the result as 23,820. Right? Salary in the fourth year. Salary in the fourth year. Salary in the fourth year equal to rupees 23,820 by offer A. Next you should go for offer B. Here also the same. Starting salary. What we did the same. Starting salary 22,000. Starting salary what it is given? 22,000. The annual increment what it is? The annual increment, that is 3%, 3 by 100. Then salary at the end of the first year. Salary at the end of the first year. Salary at the end of the first year equal to 22,000 into 103 divided by 100. Right? Salary at the second year. What we did the previous the same way. At the end of second year. At the end of second year equal to 22,000 into 103 divided by 100, the whole square. It is in GP. It is in GP. It is in GP. So A equal to rupees 22,000 or equal to 103 by 100. Increment they said 3%. That means 100 plus 3, 100% plus. Now we are going to find out what is salary at the end of the fourth year, right? That only we want to do, right, children? Say yes or no. Salary salary at fourth year equal to, that is T4, which is equal to a power r power 4 minus 1. A power a into r power 4 minus 1, a into r power 3. T4 equal to 22,000 into 103 divided by 100, the whole cube. Here also the multiplication part you have to do, children, right? Say yes or no. 22,000 into 103 into 103 into 103 divided by 100 into 100 into 100. Now we arrive the result as 24,040. Right? Salary at the fourth year. Salary at the fourth year. Salary at the fourth year equal to rupees 24,040 by offer B. Got it, children? What they are asking? What is the salary in the fourth year with respect to offer A and B? A, he got how much? 23,820. B, he got 24,040. Right? If you want, I will multiply and show you, children. One minute. The last one only I will do multiply. I'm going to multiply 103 into 103. 903 301. 90601. Right? Then 22 into 103. 22 into 103. 602. 602. 6622. Right? Now you want to multiply 16069 2266. 54 5 36 3 6. 4 5 6 3 6. Then 18 remaining 1, 12 remaining 1, 2. The same thing you have to write it again. 8 1 2 1 2. Then you add and see. 4 9 13 19 remaining. Yes or no? 13 19 remaining 1, 10 16 19 remaining 1, 2 3 6 12. Right? 12 13 remaining 1, 7 9. Then it becomes 4, then it becomes 2. Got it, children? Divided by how much? T4 equal to 2403 99994 divided by 1000. That means what you can get? 2403 9 into 994. See, that you rounded off as 24,040. Got it, children? The multiplication I did. What I gave, the answer is exactly correct. For that purpose, I did the verification here. Right? This one you have to do it in the exam. Right, children? The sum got over. But I did the verification here. Right? Verification. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Yeah. Thank you, children. I will continue. tomorrow.